Welcome! Today I am with Sony headphones and I'm going to show you how you can disconnect them from your Android smartphone. So the best way, the most succeed way is just to grab your phones like that, and we have to click and hold the power button and the custom button at the same time for like 7 seconds until this indicator starts blinking on the blue color. So let's make it. Click and hold both buttons. Okay, I just probably misclick. Let's make it another time. Let's turn them off at the first. And right now let's click and hold both buttons. As you can see, it blinks 4 times, and when it disappears, we can simply release that key and take a look. Right now, when we try to connect them back, and click to connect, we will get the request pairing. So as you can see, that's how we can easily disconnect completely your Sony headphones from Android smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.